Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I have got Roccabox for you and this is their January 2020 box. So as always, if you're new to Roccabox and you're interested in learning a little bit more about it, I'll just give you a quick lowdown. But if you've seen it all before and you'd rather just skip forward to seeing the contents, I'll add a timestamp down in the comments so you're free to flick forward. So Roccabox is a UK only beauty subscription box. It costs £10 a box and £3.95 postage and packaging. Inside every box contains between 5 to 7 beauty products and they can range from skincare, beauty, hair care, nail care and perfumes and things like that. So all beauty related. If you opt for a monthly rolling subscription, you can cancel any time, but they also offer a 3, 6 and 12-month subscription as well. If you go onto their website, you're able to see what past boxes have been like, plus they also come out with limited edition boxes and mystery boxes now and again as well. So it's worth taking a look to see what they've got on offer. So if you decide to take out a subscription, money will be taken from your account straight away, and then from the following month onwards, money will be taken from your account on the 1st of every month. I think that's it as far as information goes. If there's anything else, I'll pop down below, but I've been subscribing now just for 2 months. This is the second box I've received. I used to be a Roccabox I used to be a Roccabox subscriber back 3 years ago when it was first released, and I stayed with them for a whole year and decided to have a bit of a break. But a load of you have been messaging me asking me what do I think of Roccabox, have I unboxed it on my channel, am I likely to unbox it in the future? So I thought I'll bring it back to my channel and see what it's like over the next couple of months. Any discount codes I can find online. I'm not sure if they do a refer a friend discount code. I'll have a look. If I can find anything, I'll pop it down below. But all details related to this box, I'll pop their links down in the description. So underneath this video, see show more, you click that. That'll bring a description and everything will be listed down there. So let's get on to open it up and see what we got inside. It's got here the beauty box that's more than skin deep. So in every box you get a little leaflet and it tells you everything about the products, and I'm just trying to remember everything now. Yeah, they tell you the prices as well, and they tell you if it's full size or sample size. So I'll be referring to this as we go along, and that's what I can see so far. Let's take all these out. There, so I'll give you a quick sneak peek first. So there's a little bit about February's box down here, and it says this box is full of juicy hydrating goodies to help quench your thirsty skin. We've also popped some treats in that will aid a relaxing bath or shower. So there's no pictures or anything, but that's sort of giving you an idea of what February's box will be like. So they're dedicating this box to restoring your glow. So don't panic if your skin is as hungover as we are. We'll get you looking and feeling radiant and ready for the year ahead. So the first item I picked up is something I have recently received from another subscription box, and I love it. This is super, super cool. When I first saw it, I was like, what on earth is this? But oh my gosh, it is brilliant. It's by Daily Concepts and it's a multifunctional soap sponge, and it's mother of pearl. It says soap on the outside, sponge on the inside. That's what it looks like there. Oh, I loved using it. I absolutely loved using it. My skin felt super, super soft. Let's look. It reminds me of a cake, and I think I said that in the video where I received it last time. Oh, just makes me want to eat it. It looks like a brownie. You see there? And it's squishy. It's just like a cake. It's just like a cake. But can you see it's all nice and squidgy? It is so cool, and it smells lovely as well. This is a cruelty-free item and it will cost you £6.95 and it's full size. It says it's an exfoliating sponge designed to rid your skin of dry skin and dull dead skin cells, infused with clarifying and radiance enhancing mother of pearl soap. A true morning routine game changer. Yeah, no, I'm chuffed about that again. So that's the first item in the box. Next we've got a brush, and this is by it's by Bang Beauty. So, ooh, what type of brush is this then? This is a nice soft brush. What would I use that for? Ooh, highlight maybe? Bit of blush? Yeah, maybe a bit of blush. It is really soft. But yeah, it's sort of like an in-betweeny sort of brush. I like for highlight, I like the brush to be a little bit smaller. For blush, I like it to be a little bit bigger. So what's it say about it here? Bang Beauty, and it's a blush brush. And this is a full size. Oh, it's teeny. I thought it would be like a little, like a travel size type of, you know, like you get travel size sets. But no, this is full size and it'll cost you £13.98. It says the secret lies in its rounded shape, designed that way for better powder application, that seem to perfectly straddle the balance between dense and soft. But honestly, when it leaves my blusher looking this good and lasting this long, I don't really care. That's what the information says. So we'll see how it goes. As I said, it's not usually a type of brush shape I would go for, but if I don't use it for blush, I'm bound to use it for something else. So that's the second item in the box. So the next item we got is a familiar, and I've got a few of these and it is brilliant. They are really, really good. It's Tropez Purity Self Tan Face Mist. Is it a face one? Yeah, it is a face one. That's what it looks like there. So how much have we got in here? Is it 30 mils? No, 14 mils in here. It's a very, very fine mist. When I use it, I clean my face and everything, and then I apply it all over my face, and then I go to sleep, and then I wake up with a nice golden glow. It is really lovely, and I keep saying whenever I get one of these, I'm going to have to get a bigger bottle, but then I don't think I need to, because I probably got enough for these now to not buy a big bottle. So because I have got a lot of them, it's not like, oh wow, I'm excited to give that a go, but I am going to be keeping it because I do use them more so in the winter, not so much winter, more so in the summer, not so much in the winter. I like to embrace my paleness in the winter, but in the summer I do like to wear a lot of fake tan. But yeah, it is good. If you've never tried it before, it is really good, and it just gives you a nice subtle sort of glow. So yeah, it goes in with this theme, I think it does, definitely. But it's not like, oh wow, something new then. So this 14ml version is worth £5. It leaves no streaks, no telltale smell, and no transfer. You can even use it before work and nobody will know. You can quite literally spritz and glow. And yeah, that is the thing I like about it, and why I wanted to get a bigger version to do all body, because you can put it on in the morning and it will not transfer onto clothes. So yeah, so that's our third item, I think. Next we've got a really cute packaging, Dirty Little Secret Cosmetics. Never heard of them. And this is a, what is it? Oh, it's a jelly blush. I'll just show you what the packaging looks like there. So a jelly blush, and it's in shade Apricot. I'll open it up and show you properly now. That's a really nice colour. That is really nice actually. Why is it jelly? It's not jelly. I'm a bit confused. The more I play with it, it feels a bit like a cream as well. I expected it to be wet, but it's not. I'll have a read of the information now. But no, this colour is really nice. I think it's going to be quite subtle. Yeah, so it's going to be like a nice buildable sort of blush. Can you see there? So it's very, very subtle, which is nice. Something that I'm able to build up a colour. So what's information say about it here? So this is a full size item and it'll cost you £12, and we'll either get a apricot or a exposed in our box, and exposed is more of a pinky blush. The colour straddles that fine line between sheer and densely pigmented, so it leaves a subtle colour wash, and it's easy to blend too, so easy that if necessary I can forego my blusher brush and apply with my finger. I do really like it. The colour is really nice. So yeah, so we got a blusher, and then lastly in the box we've got a Beauty Pro, and it's a brightening collagen mask with vitamin C. It says suitable for all skin types, anti-aging formula, brightens complexion, improves elasticity, diminishes fine lines and wrinkles, and it's cruelty free. And what else does it say that I can tell you? Just leave it on your face for 15 minutes, take it off, and then pat in the essence then. So that's what it looks like there. I've had a few Beauty Pro masks over the last year or so. I can't remember if I've tried this or not. I don't know. I do have quite a lot down here. This is a full size and it'll cost you £4.95. This mask is soaked in marine collagen to help restore your youthful appearance, and a cocktail of vitamin C, herbs and botanicals will reduce pigmentation, brighten a dull complexion and leave skin enviably bright and radiant even after a month of no shut eye. A real must have right now. Are we right? Masks are okay. I do like them. I use them regularly. I use them a couple of times a week. I'd say about 2 on average, sometimes a bit more. But yeah, I'm a little bit bored of getting them in subscription boxes unless they stand out a bit unless they're a little bit different. So it's nothing wrong with it, but it's not like a wow product for me. Similar to the Tropez spray. It's only because I've got a lot of them. Yeah, so there's that. So I'm just going to gather them all up and then I'll add them all up and then I'll come back. So these are all the products in Roccabox's January beauty box. Now the box costs £13.95 and the contents come to around £43, I think. I will pop it down below in the description just in case I got that wrong, but I think it's around just over the £40 mark. But yeah, so we've got altogether a brush, we've got a face mask, we got a blush, we got a fake tan facial spray, and we got this sponge. I think overall it's a nice box. It's not a wow box, and it's only because of these two, but these items I really like. I love this soap sponge, absolutely love it, so I'm really chuffed to have it again. This blush is gorgeous. I can't wait to give it a go, see what it's like, how it applies on my skin and blends and things. Perfect colour for me, I love it. I'm not sure if I use it as a blush brush, but I will give that a go. I do love brushes, so we'll add to my collection. So overall it's a nice box. It's not a wow box, but it's a nice box. I think we've got some lovely things there. So as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Are you subscribed to Roccabox? Are you excited to receive it? Or do you think, uh-oh, it's not a box for me? All your thoughts and opinions, please comment down below because I'd love to read them. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.